Hello, my name is William Cox, and the artist that I was assigned to research is Amy Sherald. Amy Sherald is an African American woman who was raised in Columbus, Georgia, Clark Atlanta University, earning BA. She always knew she wanted to be a painter, even when she was a little girl. When the teachers and people told her to get how the kids, she would stay inside and draw. And, when she was in college, she went and got into a competition called the Outwin competition, and she won grand prize. Grand prize ended up getting her paintings displayed around the country, and this was she was the first woman to do that, which is pretty big deal. Of her success, she was offered to do a presidential portrait of the Obamas, and she ended up doing painting Michelle Obama. I do believe another gentleman painted Barack Obama, but not quite sure. Um, like I said, she did Michelle Obama's presidential portrait, and she is the first lady, of course. And at the end of each presidency, the Smithsonian Museum and the White House partner up to do these portraits. One goes to the museum to be put on display, and the other one stays at the White House for everybody to enjoy and put on display, probably like a Hall of Fame kind of thing. And um, Uh, Amy Sherrill is most known for her portraits. That's pretty what she does. She does portraits of people, and when she did Michelle Obama, she did made a lot of details. And if you look at her hair right here, it's so thin and finely drawn on, and even her facial expression matches for what Michelle Obama always looks like. Even her eyes and the shadows here looks pretty amazing. And I like how she uses the colors and the colors really brings out everything. Even the background here, it's a plain background, but the perfect color to choose to match out everything. And she used a lot of shapes in this one too, as well, um, to go along with everything. Even the colors that she chose, I don't know if they did it on purpose, but matches and kind of complements for the colors that it was chosen for the other painting over here. And no, even though that's not what I'm going on about. Anyway, um, I just like the details that she did and she used on this painting. She also did another painting of another woman who was in a polka dotted bikini, I do believe, bathing suit or something. And that one was pretty popular too, and there was a lot of details in there. But I just like this one. This one's probably more popular with people. People probably know this one a lot more because of Michelle Obama. And um, I just think it's a lot of details in this and how realistic it really looks. It looks like you can actually, no, I actually take a picture of it. It looks pretty good for painting anyway. She's a lot of details again, like there's earrings and stuff like that, different jewelries, and her detail is amazing. And her color coordination and everything is also pretty awesome. Uh, the sources, uh, I did, there's a, I didn't I read an interview that was done. Um, an interview was done from one educational school, and they interviewed her, and she did. Um, it was there, was asking questions and stuff like that. But back to this painting. Paint, paint. Uh, yeah, I just like the color details and the shapes and stuff that she used, like the details. She went way over on details, and it wasn't too far, but it wasn't not enough. I just think it's perfect, and most of her paintings are done the same way. They're all done to, and they're all done pretty much in the same detail for that matter, anyway. And I just like, once again, how they're all, if you look at it, no matter how you look at it, it just kind of follows you through everywhere. I like that too. I don't know if she did it on purpose, but I think that's really cool. But she's definitely known for pretty good portraits anyway. Um, yep. I just think that she's a well, um, a well detailed artist, and you guys should check her out. Thank you.